Hey guys, my name is Greta. I'm a life and business coach, and today I will share with you 20 ways on how to make yourself happy. So why don't you grab a pen and pick a few ways that I'm going to share with you guys, write them down and implement them in your daily life. Make sure not to write more than a couple things that you could do every day, because if you will write too many, what's gonna happen? You will feel too overwhelmed and you're just not gonna do it. When we have too much choice, we tend to not choose at all. So guys, let's get started. Meditate. Go for a walk, go for a hike, dance, sing in a shower if you can't sing like me, exercise, do positive self-love affirmations. And towards positive self-love affirmations, you can follow this link, which will take you to my other video. Plan your day, plan your week, plan your year. Plan your holidays so you have things to look forward to. Do not interact with negative people. Do not get involved in drama. Do not care about other people's opinions, especially if they're just picking on you. Why you should not care what others think of you? I have a video for that and you can find it just by following the link right here. Read books, cook, bake, buy yourself freshly cut flowers. Oh my god, I can smell it already. Plan how to achieve your dreams and go for it. And how to do that, I also have another video for you ladies, which you can find just by clicking on a link right here. Meet new people, socialize. Give freely without an expectation, like you would give to charity. However, the best charity is to start with your own family. Get your hair done, get a massage, get a facial. Try something new. Try a new hobby. Guys, keep trying things in life. If you don't have something to go for, it's because you have not tried enough of things. So when you will keep trying things in life, you will find things that you're very interested in, and then you can make those things into your passion. And the last one would be have a morning routine and have an evening routine. For me personally, I will share with you very quickly my morning routine. It is, I wake up, I express gratitude. When you're grateful, it makes you concentrate on the things that you do have, and it makes you feel very fulfilled, very happy, very rich. After that, what I do self-affirmations. After the self-affirmations, I meditate for about 5 minutes. I don't like meditating for too long, so 5 minutes is perfect for me. After that, I get myself a freshly made smoothie. Then I take a sheet of paper and I write down a plan for my day. And after that, I start my day. I start going through my email list, clients, and so on. It's also very good to have an evening routine to put yourself to sleep. And what I started doing now, I started falling asleep with the positive night affirmations. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my tips. If you liked this video, please press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Join my Facebook group, which is called High Value Mindset. We have a yoga coach in there. We have a fitness coach. We have a life and business coach. We have me in there. We all coaches are doing lives where answering your questions in the group free. So it's really an incredible group to join. Also follow me on my Instagram, which is called High Value Mindset. I share many inspirational posts there, and I also do Q&A lives there as well. And thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Kisses from London. Mwah.